How to create a custom sticker on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a custom sticker on Snapchat. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you'll need to open up your Snapchat. After you open it up, you will need to take a picture. After you take a picture, you will see a lot of options on the right hand side. You will need to tap on the scissors icon. Now as you can see right here, it says make a sticker. Now all you need to do is simply outline an object with your finger. So simply do this, simply outline this, and yeah, make sure that you be as precise as you can. And yeah, there you go, there you have it. You've just created a sticker and now you can use this however you want. And yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.